at this historic occasion to announce a new industrial development scheme 2021 for new Jammu and Kashmir, that is Naya Jammu Kashmir. For the first time, any industrial incentive scheme is taking industrial development to the block level and will promote far-flung areas of Jammu and Kashmir. The scheme is from the period of date of notification up to the year 2037 with a total outlay of rupees 28,400 crores. Will encourage new investment, substantial expansion, and also nurture the existing industries in Jammu and Kashmir. Employment to more than 4.5 lakh, equitable, balanced and sustainable socio-economic development of the region. Manufacturing as well as service sector units in Jammu and Kashmir. The scheme visualizes larger role of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in Indian economy and development with substantial investment, and I guess it will be more than 20,000 crores. The scheme will optimize utilization of local strength of Jammu and Kashmir. Total amount that was disbursed by the central government on earlier industrial policy till 2019 was merely 1123.84 crores, that is 1123.84 crores, while the new policy has an outlay of historic amount of rupees 28,400 crores, more than 20,000 crores, and an employment of 4.5 lakh in due course of time. The proposed scheme has some special features that make this scheme unique and historic for Jammu and Kashmir. Let me tell you in brief about features of these four incentives. First is the capital investment incentive at the rate of 30% in Zone A and 50% in Zone B. Zone B means backward areas. On investment made in plant and machinery, in manufacturing or construction of building and other durable physical assets,